This is your feeder and stock report for Tuesday, November 18th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In central and northern Alberta on Monday, steers 900 plus 437 to 450, 8 to 900 446 to 477. 7 to 800 471 to 540, 6 to 700 531 to 594, 5 to 600 607 to 655, 4 to 500 732 to 765, 3 to 400 805 to 822. Heifers 900 plus 388 to 407, 8 to 900 410 to 437, 7 to 800 445 to 479, 6 to 700 481 to 510, 5 to 600 539 to 592, 4 to 500 614 to 680, 3 to $400 to 690. Yesterday in southern Alberta, bred cows traded from $4,300 per head to $5,700 per head. Bred heifers traded from $5,150 per head to $7,300 per head. With Alberta direct cattle sales Monday, saw no new trade to report. This week's show list has been compiled with volume smaller than the previous week. Last week on a cash-to-cash basis, Alberta fed prices were trading at an $18 discount against the Nebraska market. One of the most impressive markets this fall has been bred cows and bred heifers. Younger bred cows and bred heifers are seeing sales hit $7,000 per head. On average, bred cattle prices are $1,000 per head higher than last year. Very few bred cows are entering the slaughter mix, and very few bred heifers are being placed into feedlots. In the cow trade in central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows 190 to 215, D3 cows 165 to 190. Bulls in central Alberta yesterday brought 210 to 245. In the U.S., there is no new trade to report. Packer interest remains light today, and significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around $230 on a live basis. Late last week, President Donald Trump cut tariffs on a wide range of food products in an attempt to slow food inflation. The Trump administration has canceled its 10% global tariff on all imports of beef and a variety of other foods effective immediately. To put this in perspective, Australian beef shipments into the U.S. are now tariff-free. In contrast, Brazilian beef tariffs have dropped by 10%, moving the tariff rate to 66.4%. National Border cows averaged $2.99.51 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 71.47, up 22 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows: December 2/2010 down 117. February 2/2087 down 90, April 2/2127 down 55. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.